Bluebell's the GOAT, man. This ice cream is heaven on earth. Wait, I got an idea. Okay.
I remember our old country home, clean screen, that was such a simpler. Bluebell tastes just like the good old days.
I can work with this. Okay, so now I'll put it into FL Studio, and I got this little region right here. Alright, so now I'm finna drag it into my playlist. Like with all my samples, I'm gonna stretch it out. Put it on resample. Hold on, I got a better idea. Okay, so I went ahead and added drums to the beat, hi-hats, snares, kicks, just to keep it simple. With the sample, I just changed the tone of it, messed with the pitch a little bit, and kept it reversed. So I'm gonna let the whole beat play through. And just like that, the video is over. Thank you for checking me out. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell. Just thank you for making it to the end of the video. And plus, the video showed me that I am a sample guy. I can sample anything. It can be anime, old school, R&B, theme songs, cartoon theme songs. So if you got a challenge for me, send it at me. Peace.